Welcome to another edition of What New Skincare Product or Trend is Stephanie Obsessing Over Now? I'm going to introduce you to Splash Mask. This is a new addition that I have added to my morning routine, but I also, I think, probably took away one step, took away another step. I can't recall. But it's been fun and I want to share it with you. Splashing the face with either like a milk substance or a botanical infused water, that is something that comes from the old centuries ago Korean traditions of back in their bathhouses. So they would have like a bucket or whatnot, or a basin, and you're splashing that liquid on your face to help clarify and brighten the skin. And I believe it also is a part of Japanese culture as well. The splash mask that I have been using and I introduced into my routine, it's from the Japanese brand Boscia, and this is the Tsubaki Splash Mask. Now it states on the front of the box, it says it's a highly concentration, instant deep hydration treatment. It is a liquid that is highly potent. We're talking the good stuff is at the top of the list. We're talking 30% or more of ingredients, and it is actually giving the same results on our skin as if we were doing a sheet mask. So let's say you put a sheet mask on and you go relax for 20 minutes, but you do a splash mask for 20 seconds. That's how long I do it. And it's the same equivalent of doing that face sheet mask. And I'm getting a lot more of the benefits that is whatever is inside of whatever splash mask I happen to pick up. So that alone got me to be, why haven't I added this in my routine sooner? But it's here now and I don't see it going anywhere. There are various splash masks on the market, but I do feel very fortunate to be using this one from Boscia because of the Tsubaki. Now Tsubaki, another term for it is camellia seed oil. And camellia seed oil is also another term, is tea seed oil. That seed comes from the camellia plant. And from the camellia plant is where the seed is where all teas are made from. So I feel that this liquid is giving me a lot of what I need. Also in both Japanese and Korean cultures, the camellia seed oil is what they ingest in their teas. It's what they would use on their hair. It's what they would use on their skin because of how highly antioxidant, potent, and of course the antioxidant properties as well. So you're again getting a lot of benefits all in one in 20 seconds. Now I'm going to show you how I use the Boscia Splash Mask and just provide my overall experience with the product. Now there are two ways I would say you can use this mask. The first one is it's recommended that you can do it in the shower. Now if you're going to be in the shower, what you can do is just take one pump and put it into your palm and then kind of press and pat. I've done that before in the videos, and just press and pat it into your skin. Now that will be after you're done taking a shower, so you're all wet, your face is wet. Go ahead and press it into your skin. Then you get out of the shower and you just let it soak in, you let it start to dry. You're not going to rinse it off. So in a sense, it's being diluted by whatever water is on your face, and then boom, you're done. That's all you have to do. That is your 20-minute mask condensed into, well, a few seconds, probably under 10 seconds. So that's the first way. The second method would be what I do and what I would recommend. So think of it as an actual facial sheet mask. So let's say I come out of the shower and I stick my sheet mask step after I do my toner and my serum and essence. So this liquid is quite thin, the oil. So I would put it, the sheet mask, if I was going to do it that night, I put it right in the step after all that, but before I put on my vitamin C serum. So that is where I would insert doing the splash mask. If you're going to dilute it in water, you don't need that much water. If you want to use as a guide, just put your palms together and just kind of fill it up and then I use warm water and then kind of put it into the bowl or kind of fill it up, kind of, you know, eyeball it into your sink. After I do 2 pumps, I just swirl the water, mix it together with my fingers, and then I cup the water, cup it, and then that is how I press and pat the water into my skin. Now, it recommends to press and pat it in for about 15 to 20 seconds. I don't want to be sitting there thinking like 1 Mississippi or 1 happy birthday, you know, whatever it is to 20 seconds, or use a timer. So what I just do is I do it 20 times. I just go press and pat 20 times in my head. And I mean, it just goes super quick. Now, also the first time I did, and I wouldn't recommend it, so I'm going to show you. The smell was so incredibly fabulous to me. I stuck my face in the water, again, trying to get more of the benefits of it. So I just held my breath for another 20 seconds and I stuck my face in the bowl. And then I came out and I was like, ah. However, that entire day, my eyes started to feel a little bit weird and my lashes and stuff. So I said, okay, I can't dunk. I can't do the dunk, because I was going to do the dunk every single day. Then over time, I just noticed that the overall texture of my skin has felt like it's just smoother, and the dark marks have faded, and they're still fading, but it seems to have been fading much quicker. And just my skin just feels healthy, and I think that it looks healthy as well. Anything that I can do for preventative measures, as well as to just increase the overall hydration and the health of my skin, I am going to take the time to do it. So if you do come across this mask, the Boscia, in your local discount stores, your Marshalls, your TJ Maxx, your Home Goods, I know Home Goods also sells skincare and beauty, give it a shot. It's going to be at a great price point and you might like it. This is so quick that you would be surprised. It's something you can just easily incorporate and get the skin benefits that you might be looking for. Thank you for stopping by and spending some time with me. I greatly and always appreciate that. Have a wonderful day or evening. And as always, I'm going to see you in the next video, where I'm going to be talking about something else I like or I dislike or I'm obsessing over. Stay tuned. Goodbye, everyone. Now I'm going to show you how I use the Boscia Splash Mask and just provide my overall experience that I've had with this product that just fell. Hold please. It's from the Japanese brand Boscia, and this is the, how do you pronounce it? Splash Mask method. This is actually something that, did I not tell him to be quiet? Did I not tell you to be quiet? The minute I turn the camera on, here you come. What's up?
Where's my paper?
What paper?
Paper I wrote my guitar lessons on 14.
I do not know. You probably took it upstairs with you.
Sorry.